Ladies and gentlemen, today I am making delicious Mongolian chicken. But the problem with me today, I am getting late. My car is with the dealer. So I came to my daughter's house and take her Tesla. But I have to reach fast in kitchen. Hi guys, I just reached from my daughter's house in my kitchen. Today, before starting Mongolian chicken, I want to say something. I want to say thank you, my family, who is helping me to make these delicious recipes. My wife, she is always behind the camera, doing all preparation. My three daughters, they are helping me a lot in everything. Online, uploading, financing. All my subscribers who are giving me motivation to make new videos. Very much for all this. Thank you very much for cooperation, and let's start Mongolian chicken dish. Come with me. My name is Chef Mangal, and today I am going to make chicken Mongolian. First of all, you have to marinate with salt. It's a light soy sauce and egg white. White pepper, and always make sure that when you marinate or work with chicken or anything, you have to use hand gloves. Cornstarch. The recipe is in description. You have to mix it this very nicely so that each chicken pieces should get the marination. Another important thing, you have to cut chicken cubes 1 inch dice or little smaller. You can use chicken breast or thigh also. I am using breast. Keep for 30 minutes to marinate properly. Now take a oil in a pan. I don't use a lot of oil, so I will fry in a small batches, golden brown. But to make a crispy chicken, you have to fry it twice. So when you get this chicken, one side color golden brown, turn in other side and fry till you get a golden brown. It's like this color. But this is not cooked completely. We have to fry again to make it crisp. So when you get a golden color, just take it out. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video till now, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Then again, make a temperature medium high and just give a color. See, this is the color when you finish frying. Now in a pan, keep a 1 tablespoon in the same wok. Saute your ginger julienne. When you get a flavor of that ginger, add your onions. When you see the change of a color in onions, you have to cook till. Add chopped garlic, cook for a minute and put water. Complete recipe you can see in description. So when it starts boiling, oyster sauce, mix it. Whatever sauce you put in the sauce, you mix it. This is the dark soy sauce. Bring it to boil. Chili peppers. If you want more spicy, you can add more. This is a brown sugar I am using. Cook for a minute. when it gets boiled. Add dark soy sauce. Now you have to add cornstarch. Cornstarch mixed with the water in cold water to thicken the sauce, because we have to coat the chicken. This is your fried chicken. If you fry it twice, you get a crispy from outside and inside is the sauce. Now add your spring onion. This everything you have to cook on medium high. And in the end finish with sesame oil. You taste also before serving. If you think that seasoning you need, you can add. So now your dish Mongolian chicken is ready. Oh my God, what a dish. My friends, I want to make this video viral, man. I need your support.